Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates. Nandito mo po yung lingkod, Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyong lagi na abangan. Sinusubaybayan pinakamal Renzo Tarot Channel. May kami ka shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nag-aabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ay reading para sa buwan ng February 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aquarius. Okay? Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, para sa inyo ang reading neto. Kamusta po kayong lahat kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading? Don't hesitate to comment, like, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I hope and I pray na sa mabuti kayong kalagayan. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Okay? Sige, ulitin ko, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, para sa inyo ang reading neto. Last shuffle for you, Aquarius. Then let's begin. Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha because I know that you're so excited. Okay, let's begin. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for February 2026. Reading for Aquarius. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. So we have 2 cards already. 8 cards please for Aquarius. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 7 cards please for Aquarius. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Panonood lagi, sa pagko-comment. Maraming salamat po. Nababasa ko po lahat ng comments nyo. Then, I really appreciate it. And maraming salamat po sa inyong loyalty, sa pag-stay, at talagang hindi nyo kinuwan simula noon hanggang ngayon sa muling pagbabalik ng inyong lingkod. Last 2 cards please for Aquarius. So, 9, 10. Okay? Aquarius, your 10 cards are now complete. Hindi natin papatagalin pa ito. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. And let's begin. February 2026. Happy birthday mga Aquarius. Birthday month nyo ito. Happy birthday in advance. Happy birthday sa lahat ng Aquarius. This is Aquarius season already. For your opening card is 3 of Pentacles. Comes February. For this, siguro nag-start na. Aquarius, be careful. Be cautious sa mga taong makikilala. Sa mga taong mag-offer sa'yo. Maybe, I can feel there may mag-invest, mag-offer ng something. So, be cautious about it. Wag masyadong magtitiwala or parang wag magpadala sa matatamis na salita because although this is a pentacles, but look, you can see this is a dark room, so may transaction parang patago or palihim. Although siguro these people are very good in communication, it seems too good to be true, mas matatamis ang dila nila, parang mapapaniwala ka nila. But February, please, this February, Aquarius, please be cautious, maging matalino, and kung kaya naman, parang wag na muna, this is not the best time for you para pumasok sa panibagong venture or para mag-entertain ng mga tao or parang mag-entertain ng mga bagay-bagay. So, like, there is a perfect timing for everything, but this February is not favorable for you, Aquarius, to enter a relationship, a cooperation, partnership, o kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mo pasukin. Okay? So, pangalawang barao. So, there's a balance. So, this is 2 of Pentacles. Okay? You need to find balance with all of aspects of your life. Although this is a Pentacles, although pera to, but lahat kailangan balance eh. Time, energy. So also, look at this one kasi parang may instability dito in terms of your personality, emotion. Parang kakaroon ng moody. Parang comes February, parang magiging moody kayo. You need to be aware of it, Aquarius. Parang ngayon, okay kayo, bukas hindi naman. So you need to find your balance. You need to have introspection, self-reflect. Kung napapagod, at least you need to rest. Parang ganun, wag pilitin ang sarili, wag pilitin ang katawan kung hindi kaya. Kasi, mahirap na kung anong maging epekto nito para sa'yo. Baka busy ka sa trabaho, busy ka sa paghahanap ng pera. You need to find balance. Okay, kailangan marunong magbalanse. Comes February, it is necessary para talaga sa iyo, Aquarius, na kailangan matuto ka or hanapin mong balanse mo at this time. Okay? So, Aquarius, pangatlo mong baraha is the Empress. So, Aquarius people are very known to be beautiful, gorgeous, and good-looking people. And comes February, maybe parang siguro Aquarius medyo napapabayaan ang looks or mapabayaan ang katawan, may mga tumataba, may pumapayat or parang ganun. Or also consider, I can see here, consider uh, go to the nearest doctor for it's like a general checkup. Wala akong sinasabing may sakit kayo kung ano man, but at least part of the kumbaga whole uh, aspect ng pagkatao mo ay hindi lang dapat yung physical but also yung health natin inside. Okay, Aquarius, but I can see here na magbo-bloom. There's, Aquarius actually attractive kayo kahit hindi kayo nag-effort, parang hindi kayo nag-aayos ng sarili nyo, you're still attracting other peoples because, Aquarius are very good-looking people. And that's it by February, Aquarius. At least my advice lang is at least have a general checkup kasi mahirap na baka mamaya it seems that everything is okay outside but inside ay parang there's something wrong for you. Sige? Then, para sa pang-apat mong baraha Aquarius for February 2026 is the King of Cups, stability, maturity. So, don't expect February na magtutuloy-tuloy ang flow, magandang flow ng mga bagay-bagay para sa'yo, finances, so everything will be okay. A lot of opportunities are coming on your way. Ikaw lang yung parang mga problema kung alin pipiliin mo dito, but I can see because this is a hierarchy card, so it means magandang pundasyon ng mga bagay-bagay para sa'yo. You are in a good place, you're in a good job, you don't need to worry. Parang okay yung business mo, okay yung trabaho mo, everything is okay for you. There's a stability comes February, magtutuloy-tuloy ito and you don't need to worry about it. Aquarius. So, fifth card, Six of Wands. So, there are some Aquarius para sa'yo na magigain ng followers. So, if you're working on a content creation or if you are planning to start going social media, do it. Actually, related talaga to sa inyo because sabi ko nga nung reading ko last year nang pumasok si Pluto sa Aquarius noong November 2025, I I said, everything will be about technology. Sabi ko, may na-read ako na Aquarius, if you want to prosper, you need to have business in relation sa technology. So, mag-buy and sell ka ng cellphone, ng laptop, or kung ano man. So, this is very good for you. So, if you are planning to start a content creation Aquarius, because I can see her following, marami mong follow sa'yo, marami mong susubaybay sa'yo, you will be inspiring other people, you will be gaining followers because you will be serving as inspiration or they will be happy with you, you will be giving entertainment para sa kanila. So expect comes February, meron talaga mga pangalan noon, parang magiging matunog ang pangalan, makikilala, maririnig sa community, okay, kung ano man yan. And if you are planning to whatever is that, you need to continue pagpapatuloy mo yan because that will give you fame or dyan ka makikilala or dyan ka madidiscover. Okay? Pang-anim mong baraha Aquarius is the Fool. So, kinakailangan talaga. There are some of you Aquarius na galing pa lang sa travel or nagpa-plan pa lang mag-travel. If you are planning by February, nakakakita ko dito na parang mag-unwind ng mga Aquarius. Pupunta sa mga something na malayo na to recharge their energy because it is necessary. You need to enjoy yourself. You need to have fun for you. Sabi ko, related din doon sa kailangan balance ang lahat. Hindi puro trabaho. Kailangan talagang sa inyo Aquarius, diyan kayo nakakaproblema, diyan kayo nakakasakit, diyan kayo na-stress kapag masyado kayo nakafocus sa trabaho at hindi kayo nakakapaghanap ng time para i-balance ang lahat. So, comes February Aquarius, you need to find way para makapag-recharge. So, by doing, paano magagawa yan? At least go outdoors, go to the beach, mag-hiking, o kung ano man yung mag-travel, at least 1 week or, 2 weeks, just to recharge or to regain the energy that you lost. Okay? So, pampito, Lover's card, there are some Aquarius na mag-entertain ng panibagong, suitor and relationship. Or kung wala man, kung hindi man, there are ang mga Aquarius na in a relationship, the relationship will blossom or magiging maganda ang state nito, ang estado ng relationship, partnership ng iyong partner. So, there will be no miscommunication, magiging maganda ang flow ng lahat para sa'yo. There will be a clarity, maganda ang walang problema, hindi to magbibigay sa ng sakit ng ulo in terms of, hindi to makakadagdag ng stress. Okay? You don't need to worry in terms of relationship para sa Aquarius by February. And for some, na siguro meron dyan kayong parang napapansin nyo, nagpaparamdam sa inyo ng konti, entertain it, okay, because February will be a very good month for you in terms of opening your life entering a new relationship. At para sa pangwalo mong baraha Aquarius for the month of February 2026 is the Queen of Swords. So, I can see here Aquarius na full of confidence. Talagang ikaw ang gagawa ng mga desisyon. Walang makakapigil sa'yo. Kagustuhan mo to. Hindi ka nang hingi ng opinion ng ibang tao. So talagang now, comes February, whatever decisions you will be making, buong-buo ang loob mo. Walang takot, walang doubts or walang pagdadalawang isip. Okay, this Queen of Swords represents confidence for you. So whatever, kung ano man itong mga gagawin mo o pag-decision mo by February Aquarius, so you will be doing it by your own discernment sa sarili mong talino, sarili mong lakas. So, that's a good thing kasi hindi ka na ngayon after sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. Hindi ka nagpapa-apekto. 9 card mo is 10 of Swords. So, Aquarius, here you are. Picture nyo to, breadwinner of the family. Pasan nyo ang daigdig, kayo ang may hawak ng lahat ng responsibility sa trabaho, sa family members, o kung ano man yan. So, comes February, pinapakita lang ito na talagang medyo may konting stress in terms of responsibilities, obligations na nakaatang sa'yo. But don't worry, magiging okay naman lahat para sa'yo. Nalalagpasan nyo naman, nagagawan nyo naman ang paraan ito, Aquarius. Nalulusutan nyo naman ang mga bagay-bagay. But pinapakita lang ito by February, hindi pa rin kayo exempted sa konting stress. That's because, of course, most of you, at karamihan 90% sa inyo Aquarius ay breadwinner of the family o sa inyo nakasalalay ang lahat. At yun na nga, pasan nyo ang daigdig. 10th and last card for you. Oh, celebration. Pakita ko sa inyo, Aquarius, nagkatapat sila nung 6 of Wands. Sabi ko, talaga makikilala kayo, sisikat kayo, magigain ka ng followers. So that will yield a celebration for you. Aquarius, or there are some Aquarius na ikakasal sa February, may magpo-propose sa inyo, engagement, o kung ano man yan, claim it, Aquarius. You will be so happy to the point that you will be doing a big celebration. Okay? That's it. Ang napakagandang reading natin. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Aquarius sa makapanood nito. At kapag hindi pa po kayo naka-subscribe, please do subscribe. At nagustuhan nyo, mag-comment po kayo, like and share na rin. Maraming salamat sa inyong mapinamahal kong soulmates na Aquarius. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.